Good morning. It's nice to speak today with Costas Michael, CEO of Revolut Cyprus, at the iFX EXPO International 2025. My name is Jeff Patterson, Head of Customer Success at Finance Magnates. I have a few questions for you if you wanted to dive right in.
Yeah, thank you.
So first, how would you describe Revolut's current market penetration in Cyprus, both in terms of user adoption and strategic presence?
Well, we definitely have a huge penetration in Cyprus. We are expanding quite well, and the client base in Cyprus actually is appealed to, let's say, the Revolut product in general for various reasons. Obviously, it can be related to the banking industry being different, and we provide a completely more efficient and faster and cheaper solution, all the way to the ease of use and everyday use. It's kind of in line, I guess, with our global coverage and the global capture, which is we have over 55 million clients across the world right now, 15 million of which were added just in the last year. And Cyprus is kind of in line with that and even slightly even above, I would say. So we have a good penetration in Cyprus, yes.
Pretty impressive growth, so.
Yeah.
So, as you know, Cyprus is home to many financial service firms, particularly in the CFD space. Is Revolut exploring opportunities to offer payment or infrastructure services to this sector today?
Well, we are engaged with the sector, yes. We are quite aware of the whole CFD penetration in Cyprus. I mean, it's one of the bases for the CFD providers across Europe and even globally, in fact. Obviously, this is not done through Revolut Crypto. This is done through other companies that we have for the payments industry for the business offers. And yeah, it's expanding quite well, and we are approaching them to see where are their friction points, how can we resolve them for them through the products that we offer.
Fantastic. So Revolut holds a CAASP license in Cyprus. What specific services or products are you planning to roll out under this license, and how do they fit into your wider crypto strategy?
Our crypto strategy is quite vertical across the world, so we try to offer the same product regardless of where you are. Obviously, I can't disclose anything that is to be released unless it's already public. However, we are already offering buy and sell remittances, so you can deposit, withdraw directly from an external wallet of yours. We have staking, learning and earning, everything related to any transaction that you would want to do in crypto. And we've also recently launched our Revolut X platform, which is more catered to the more advanced trader with advanced analytics and ability to have a more customized, let's say, trading experience that you want, not just through the app on the phone, but also on a web-based platform and so on. So that's another product that we released recently, and it's doing quite well.
Quite a diverse offering. So with MiCA regulation coming into force, how do you see it reshaping the competitive space for crypto firms across Europe? And what does it mean for Revolut's positioning?
I think it's quite important for the crypto industry in general. It's quite positive as well, in fact. It really helps the industry normalize and be recognized in a different way, basically similar to a MiFID II license across Europe. The cross-bordering and everything basically coming along with it is very helpful as well. And it secures the product in a way that any client would be more comfortable with also approaching, instead of simply going to a product which could be only technology-based or something that could have other risks, which is difficult to establish. This provides a better approach, let's say, to offering this product across. And yeah, it could even give a better understanding to the banks as well, so that the banking industry is more comfortable with firms like this, because there is obviously a risk aversion at the moment from the banking industry in regards to crypto. So yes, we expect MiCA to be very positive for the crypto industry.
Okay. Just one more question. Looking ahead, which crypto-related services or cases do you expect to have the most traction among European customers or businesses over the next 2 to 3 years?
Obviously, with crypto, it's really difficult to predict the next 2 to 3 years. But what I could say is that I do expect a more wider adoption across the world. But what do I mean by that is you'll see bigger firms actually utilizing crypto. It could be stable coins, could be any other crypto token that they choose, regardless of whether it's for their treasury or not, for seamless payments and cheaper payments, more efficient way of transacting across the world, not just within your country, for example. In a more efficient and trustworthy way, basically. You'll see it's an opinion that you'll see more of the industry moving towards that side. You'll also be seeing something similar to that is obviously the yields that you can have on your crypto tokens, whether this is through staking and earning some yield back on your crypto assets. These are the two that I would definitely expect immediately to be the first to impact. And we've already seen this with other companies across the world, basically, that are utilizing crypto as a means of transacting and moving funds across the world faster and cheaper.
Sure. Well, definitely exciting times ahead. So obviously no one
Yes.
can see the future, but
Thank
well,
you
anyway,
very
thank you. Appreciate your time and everything. So
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.